I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Stand with feet shoulder width and relax your shoulders, breathing slowly 3 to 4 times to reduce tightness. Unclip or unzip any fastenings. This immediately reduces tension and lets the garment shift. Once done, grip the shirt near the waistline with both hands and start lifting small sections upward. This prevents snagging on skin or hair. Make sure to work symmetrically so fabric loosens evenly, because sudden pulls can cause discomfort. You now move into the complex middle. Use a rolling, peeling motion. Roll the fabric over itself in 1 to 2 inch increments rather than yanking to preserve elasticity and prevent abrasions. Once you have a bit of slack, rotate your torso slightly to the opposite side to open space. This makes each pull easier, and it distributes tension. If you hit resistance, stop and readjust your grip, then continue with slow, controlled motions. This method reduces strain and keeps the shirt intact. You finish by sliding shoulders out one at a time, supporting the garment with your opposite hand so it doesn't snap back. Once off, check your skin for any redness or marks, and if irritation appears, apply a cool compress for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce swelling. If the shirt gets stuck, don't force it. Retighten adjacent areas to create a controlled fold, then peel the fabric from the center outward. This final step prevents tears and minimizes discomfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.